This ain't me. I gotta get control. Yeah. My mind is playing tricks on me, and I just can't believe that this is happening. I'm trying to get ahead, girl. Studying every move from me, every breath I take. I just wanna let you know. Everywhere I go, these people wanna know I'm smiling, not crying, but I'm happy. They don't hear me complaining, waiting on someone else to come and change things. I'm fake, now real. I wanna know what's it look and understand how I am female. Can be the books with my hand now, be a stand down. The ground for the haters.
I don't know if I remember this. It's the love movement with the love of old Brownskin. You know that funky heat that keep your mouth frowning. Go ahead, just get a taste. You know it's oh so good. We so tired, we getting videos on slow-mo, bro. NEBP needs it, got the pocket. Blaze purple haze with the bass, Mr. Loch Ness. Kick stacks, got my back, getting the hype. Got G, got D. Lord Dweez on the mic, yeah. And Lord Dweez is me in the flesh. Stepping out, cats like work with me. He's so fresh. Play no games. Play my position, don't spray no thing, just put some of that. Something, hopping in the booth, about to get it in, it's all good. Just in case you didn't know, I welcome everybody to the old school flow.
When it was all up to combat, contest or contact, stop fly if you came without your hard hat. Beatboxing or banging on the hard surface, all the tough guy games and stunt was worthless. Let you not be on your game, be up on the stage, you had to drop the mic and you had to shame. Before the brains in the pen got lazy, it's Brooklyn in the house, they go crazy. They airbrush clothes and graffiti made me. Live battles bar for bar, that shit amazed me. It was always going down in the party hard. No guns, guard body was your bodyguard. I remember my Adidas, I was striped up, hype like what? Dewey on the free site. Pop lock until the underground came. The sucker shake came, it ain't never been the same shit.